What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this famous French appellation located in the Provence wine region in the south of France, by the Mediterranean coast, that is particularly famous for its red wines. Yes, arguably the most famous Provence appellation for red wines, even though Bandol makes also some delicious rosé wines. The wines from Bandol, the red wines from Bandol, are made with a majority, at least 50% of Mourvèdre grape variety, together with some Grenache, and sometimes also a little bit of Cinsault, Carignan and Syrah. So how do you go about pronouncing Bandol? With the typical French pronunciation, Bandol, 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 Bandol. You can just say Bandol, the Provence wines from Bandol. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye.